Welcome back to another video on My Style Baits. We are below Bonneville Dam today doing some fishing, obviously. It is, okay, it's actually the first week in October, so we're getting close to the end of the season. But I want to show you what we're running today. We've got a bunch of brads on today. We got this Jackpot Super Bait Original. Unhook those. Got some of the cut plug herring brads, rotten banana, and then some pearl trolls, it looks like. And then this one is another cut plug herring. And the last one we've got on here is a original super bait. So we'll see what one works the best today. Chad's got these stuffed and ready to go when we need to switch out. But yeah, a lot of good stuff, and hopefully get into some fish today. Oh. Okay, Dad's on first fish of the day.
Let's go.
Yes. Oh, I wonder which one it was. Oh, wow. Oh. Is he at 40 or something?
15, he's at 8.
Oh, 15? Oh, okay.
He's at 12. I'm going to bring him up towards you, Chad. Up here, though. I'm going to bring him up here.
Oh, what is that, Chad? It's a super bait. Oh, wait. Actually, I don't know.
Cut plug.
It's cut plug? Oh, yeah, he's a nice one. Nice. Oh, gosh. The winner is the cut plug. Oh, I can't even see it. Yeah.
Right there.
Oh, Sarah! Alright, same rod. That Mountain Dew cut plug, Brad's killing it. Mom got it this time, even though she yelled my name to grab it. What are you at, Mom? 37. 37? This might be a couple minutes. There he goes again.
It's a nice one, I guess. They got a little one.
Now what are you at, Mom? 10. 10? Just kidding. 15.
Now back down to 50.
Oh. Whoa.
Can you pull that out? Go, Chad, pull way out.
Nice. Good job, Mom. Thanks. Oh, that's 2. Oh no, what's all that? Alright, that's 2. Good job, Mom. That was the same rod. Mom, will you take this rod?
Maybe a jack, too.
Same position.
Nice.
Check that baby out. It's nice, but it's smaller, so same one though. Probably 10 by now.
That's what I think too, Chad. Okay, here we come, Chad. Right here. Oh, it's so
just released that small baby one that I got.
Yeah. Trying
And
to
now
help
it's
Mom,
the rod on the other side. What are you at, Mom? 7. Wow, that sun is bright. Oh yeah, there it is. Looks kind of dark. Dark. Yeah, it's definitely dark. But it's on it's either the Seahawk cut plug or the, what was that, blackjack?
No, it's a Seahawk.
It is a Seahawk?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, you're right. Dang, that wind is humming. Holy cow, it's huge, but man. Yep, Chad's right. Seahawk cut plug for the win. Alright, well, we're gonna release that one too, but we have 2 keepers in the boat so far. Lost 2, and so I think that makes us like 5 for 7. Alright, that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was quick. I think we're only out here for like 2 or 3 hours, but it was solid. We had an epic day. Standout today was definitely that mini cut plug herring. It was the Mountain Dew Brad's mini cut plug. So overall, really good day. I think we lost 3 fish. We killed 2, released, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 fish. So we had a good day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.